In this video, we'll carve a wood like this. I'll show you how to do this in ArtCAM. Create a new model. Set the size just a little bit bigger than your workpiece. For example, we make it 500 square. Okay. We type capital letters like this and create. Then we use the transform tool to set the size. We make it a little bigger. Apply. Then we draw a rectangle. Make it just a little lower than this text. Right click. Hold Shift key and select the text. Center vector. Then we draw another rectangle. Right click. Hold Shift key. Select this center vector. Okay, so we select the smaller rectangle and the text. Then we use the explode vectors tool. So now it becomes these lines. Select this. Hold Shift key, select this. Then we use the join vector by moving ends. Okay, we select this and this. Join. Hold Shift key, select this. Join vector. And hold Shift key, click this. We'll use this method to join all the space between two letters. As a closed vector. Okay, now we select this, this, and this. Control G to group them. Then we go to Toolpath. Profile Toolpath. Inside. Finish steps, make it 6. Suppose we have a wood board of 5 mm. Then we select a tool. And set the material thickness, make it 5. Calculate now. And we select this bigger rectangle. Use another providing Toolpath. Select the same tool, calculate. Then we simulate all the Toolpath. So we get this effect. We can remove this after we cut the wood board. In reality, okay, thank you for watching.